Look, we did very well job. We came in this final. I think this is very important for all. But we understand how it's important this game for our management, for this club, how important for our supporters. We wait this game.
Play in the final formation. What is the formation? 4-3-3? Yeah, 4-4-2.
Formation we will make one day before the game, because now I don't know who will start in this game. I told you before we have too many good players, and first I must know who is ready and better in this day. This is not about formation. You can play 4-4-2, you can play 4-3-3, you can play another formation. Important how we will play, how we will do our job on the ground. And I think really this is formation now in football. It's not so important. The more important how players to want to win this game. This is more important as formation.
Wingers, two wingers, maybe fail in utilizing the move. So you can change the wingers or you will continue it.
We can change the wingers, we can continue with these wingers. Now really I cannot answer to your difficult question, because I have 2 days before the match and I will make decision one day before. Tomorrow I can answer for this question.
আমরা সবাই যেভাবে এখন প্র্যাকটিস করছি 2 সপ্তাহ ধরে, এবং যেভাবে আমাদের প্র্যাকটিস করাচ্ছে, আমরা সবাই প্রস্তুত ফাইনাল। আমাদের সবাই মোটিভেশন আছে, কনফিডেন্ট আছি আমরা ফাইনাল জিতবো। তো আমরা চেষ্টা করবো যেভাবে হোক ইনশাআল্লাহ ম্যাচটা বের করতে এবং